Have you ever asked yourself why some people make good money but still stay broke while others slowly build wealth with average incomes? The answer often has less to do with math and more to do with psychology. Your brain controls your financial behavior more than you realize. Every person grows up with hidden beliefs about money. Some people hear phrases like, "money is evil," or "rich people are greedy." Others are taught that wealth comes from hard work and smart decisions. These early beliefs create what experts call a financial thermostat. It becomes the comfort zone your mind tries to maintain. This is why some people sabotage themselves after earning more money. Instead of investing or saving, they increase spending to match their new income. Their brain subconsciously returns them to familiar financial conditions. Emotions also strongly influence spending habits. Stress, boredom, insecurity, and even loneliness can trigger unnecessary purchases. Companies understand this psychology extremely well. That is why advertisements often sell emotions instead of products. Another powerful factor is comparison. Social media constantly shows luxury lifestyles, expensive vacations, and flashy success. Many people spend money trying to compete with appearances that may not even be real. Wealthy individuals usually focus less on impressing others and more on building long-term stability. Behavioral finance studies show that humans are naturally emotional with money. People fear losing money more than they enjoy gaining it. This fear causes bad investment decisions, panic selling, and missed opportunities. Changing your financial future starts with changing your awareness. Pay attention to your emotional triggers. Understand your money habits. Learn to separate temporary feelings from long-term goals. Once you control your financial behavior, you gain control over your future. Your bank account is often a reflection of your mindset, discipline, and emotional patterns. The good news is that your brain can be retrained. Better habits create better outcomes over time. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more money psychology content, like this video, and comment below with one financial habit you want to improve.